Good morning to all the students. I am Shubhangi Gurnani from Mechanical Engineering Department, and today we discuss about the concept of the logic gate. So this is the diagram which is related to the logic gate. So gate system having the various pin, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It can be ground, and another upward field can be attached to the voltage. What is the logic gate? In a binary session, we discuss the switches inside computer. The logic gates are the switches that turns on or off depending on what the user is doing. They are building a block for how the computer works. So this is the diagram which is related to the switches, logic switches. What is a logic gate? The logic gate turns on when the circuit condition is true and off when the circuit condition is false. They check whether or not the information that gate follows a certain rule. They either split out the answer true, on, or false, off. Remember that true is equal to on, that is 1, false, off is equal to 0. Let us do with the example. So this is the example in which the 5 is equal to 5. So if the 5 is equal to 5, then logic gate system get on because this condition is true. The 5 is equal to 5 and this is a 5 and 6. Therefore the logic gate condition can give, that is a false, and the systems can be off. The second example, that is 1 on. 1 is equal to 1, then logic gate system is on. 1 is equal to 1 and there is a 0, therefore logic gate system is off. So types of the logic gate. There are major types of the logic gates are NOT, AND, OR, XOR. So this is the diagram. This is a AND gate, this is a OR gate, and this is a NOT gate. The NOT gate. The NOT gate is the most simple logic gate. All does takes the input that is either off or off, split out opposite. For 1 we will get a 0 and for 0 it will get the 1. The another name of the NOT gate is a inverter because it inverts the input. The NOT gate contains one input and one output. The input is 1, then the output is 0, and input is 0, then the output is 1. AND gate. Unlike NOT, AND needs two input. It only turns when both inputs are on. If only one input is on, it split out off. If both inputs are off, it split out off. So AND gate contains two inputs and one output. That is input 1 and input 2 is 1, then output is 1. Input 1 is 1 and 2 is 0, then output is 0. Input 1 is 0 and input 2 is 0, then output is 0. So in this way the AND gate can be worked. So there is a truth table. The convenient way to visualize the output for the logic gate system, the truth table can be used. The truth table dissipates the gate response to each possible set of inputs. So see these inputs, that is a 0 and 1. If input 1 is 0 and input 2 is 0, then output is 0. If input 1 is 1 and 2 is 0, then the output is 0. Input 1 is input 1 is 1 and 0, then it is a 0, and input 1 is 1 and input 2 is 1, then it is a 1. So this system is called as a truth table. OR system. The OR also needs the two input. So this is the two input system, one output. 1 and 0 it gets the 1, 0 and 0 it gets the 0, 1 and 1 it gets the 1. So with respect to that concept, the truth tables are 0 and 0 that get the 0, 0 and 1 that get the 1, 0 and 1 that get the 1, and 1 and 1 it also get the 1. So in this way the truth table can be formed. XOR gate. It is a way to exclusive OR. So this is also a two input and one output system. It is having 1 and 0, that is 1, 0 and 0, that is 0, 1 and 1, that is 0. So the truth table with respect to the XOR system is 0 and 0, that is 0, 1 and 0, that is 1, 0 and 1, that is 1, and 1 and 1, that is 0. So stacking the logic gate. An output of one logic gate can be an input to the another logic gate. These create a tree of gates that depends on each other. So this is the system. The OR gate, NOT gate can be connected to the OR gate. The NOT gate having a input 1 and output 1. The NOR gate having a 2 input, that is an 1 1, its output is 1. So AND gate having a input 1 and input 2, that is 0. So this will get the 1 and it can be connected to the NOR gate, that is a 1. Let us do for the example. 1 NOT gate output is 0, 0 it get 1. So example 2. NOT gate system 1 input 0 output. So AND gate require 2 input 1 and 0 and its output is 0. For example 3. OR gate systems required 2 inputs, that is 1 and 0. AND system can require 2 inputs, that is 1 and 1. So 1 and 1 gives the 1, 1 and 0 in OR gives the 1, and this is connected to XOR systems and get the output, that is 0. So the logic gates are actually look like these bugs. This is the logic gate system in which these are the steps you have to occur with AND system, OR system, NOR system. However, the diagram can be used and it can be easily understood. So thank you.